Hi all, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will be showing you how to thread the Brother LX2375 sewing machine. So let's get started. First thing you're going to do is take your spool of thread and you're going to make sure that the start of the thread is going off the right side. So my thread is coming off the right and I'm going to put it on my spool holder. Take my thread and I'm going to look at this particular diagram here. So this diagram states that I need to take it here and do like that. So I'm just looking at the diagram and following it. Next thing I'm going to do is take my thread and go here. And then I'm going to pull up like this, okay? Next thing I'm going to do is take my hand wheel and move it towards me, so that this little gray piece you see is coming up. Okay, so I take my thread and I usually try to go like behind this little gray piece and come back up. But if you can't, there's a circle that you can just insert your thread through. This machine is kind of more difficult than all the other machines that I've used. I'm going down and then I'm going to take both of my pieces of thread and I'm going to try to go behind this little silver piece because there's like a little opening in the back that will thread it. Oh my gosh, that's so hard. But if you can't get it that way, you're just gonna have to insert it through this little hole. But the easiest way is just to try to go from behind. So the next thing we're gonna do is take our thread down. There's a little piece here. Okay, you're going to take your thread and put your thread within that little piece. You see that? And the last but not least is you have to put it through the needle. What I usually do is cut my thread and then I take the end of the thread and sometimes I will like put some saliva on it if needed and I just place it through. So it should go through the needle, just straight through like that. Last but not least, you want to lift up your presser foot. There's a lever right there. And then you're going to place it through the toes of the presser foot like that. And always make sure that your thread goes backwards. That is how you thread a Brother XL2375 sewing machine. Please make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Please make sure you let us know if there's any tutorials that you would like us to film in the future. Thanks for watching.